learning outcomes of this topic. The students will be able to know and identify the districts in Andhra Pradesh. The student will be able to know and identify the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. It is situated in the southeast direction of India. It is one of the 28 states in India. It is located in the east coastal line of India. The length of coastal line of Andhra Pradesh is 972 kilometers and stands second place after Gujarat. It is the 7th largest state in India in area. It is the 10th most populous state as per 2011 census. There are 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh. They are number 1 Srikakulam, number 2 Vizianagaram, number 3 Visakhapatnam, number 4 East Godavari, number 5 West Godavari, number 6 Krishna, number 7 Guntur, number 8 Prakasam, number 9 SPS Nellore, number 10 Chittoor, number 11 YSR Kadapa, number 12 Anantapuram, number 13 Kurnool. These 13 districts can be divided into regions on the basis of physical and economic conditions. They are number 1 Coastal Andhra. These 9 districts Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Gunturu, Prakasam and Nellore, SPS Nellore are called Coastal Andhra districts. Number 2 Rayalaseema. Chittoor, YSR Kadapa, Anantapuram, Kurnool. These 4 districts are called Rayalaseema districts. Let us identify these 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh map. This is Srikakulam. This is the smallest district in area in Andhra Pradesh. This is Vizianagaram. This is the least populous district in Andhra Pradesh. This is Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is the most populous city in Andhra Pradesh. This is East Godavari. This is the most populous district in Andhra Pradesh. This is West Godavari. This is Krishna. This is Guntur. This is Prakasam. This is SPS Nellore. This is Chittoor. This is YSR Kadapa. This is Anantapuram. This is the largest district in Andhra Pradesh in area. This is Kurnool. Andhra Pradesh boundaries. North boundary Odisha, Chhattisgarh states. South boundary Tamil Nadu state. East boundary Bay of Bengal. Northwest boundary Telangana state. southwest boundary Karnataka state. These are the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh. Let us identify these boundaries in Andhra Pradesh map. North boundary Chhattisgarh Orissa states. South boundary Tamil Nadu state. East boundary Bay of Bengal. Northwest boundary Telangana state. Southwest boundary Karnataka state. Let us do a small activity. Dear students, please observe this Andhra Pradesh map, which shows 13 districts and boundaries of Andhra Pradesh. Later, I will ask some questions on this map. Dear students, are you ready to answer the questions? Yes. Which is the largest district in Andhra Pradesh? Yes, Anantapuram. Which is the smallest district in Andhra Pradesh? Yes, Srikakulam. Which is the eastern boundary of Andhra Pradesh? Bay of Bengal. Which is the southern boundary of Andhra Pradesh? Yes, Tamil Nadu. Name the Rayalaseema districts. There are 4 Rayalaseema districts. Please name. Yes, Chittoor, YSR Kadapa, Anantapuram and Kurnool. Which is the southwest boundary of Andhra Pradesh? Southwest boundary of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Karnataka. This slide presents the overall view of this video. Andhra Pradesh situated in the southeast of India. There are 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh. These 13 districts can be divided into 2 regions. They are number 1 Coastal Andhra 9 districts, number 2 Rayalaseema 4 districts. Andhra Pradesh boundaries: Chhattisgarh, Odisha in the north, Tamil Nadu in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east, Telangana in the northwest and Karnataka in the southwest.